Listen, I'm so excited. Honey, my phone dropped. Listen. You just don't know where to start and you just don't know where to begin. Look, Dollar Tree is now selling matte foundation. Do you see the package? Listen, one time for the marketing team. Because, I mean, you doing your thing like a chicken wing. Okay. You see this? This is Prolux Cosmetics matte foundation. I don't know if this is a name brand or what, but child, okay, so they have linen, they have different shades, and that's what I like. Okay, different shades. They have honey. Child, get into it. Okay, honey, linen. Let me see. Okay, 1 second. They also have ivory. Hold on like the break of dawn. They also have bluff. Ooh, child. Okay, matte foundation. Really, really good. Now, this is the colors that they have. And they may have some other colors in there. All right. Let's see. 1 second. Okay, so this is the new foundation Dollar Tree has. Okay, light, honey, linen, ivory, and buff. Okay, the new, you see it? Honey, is the packaging for me. Okay, and don't forget, I showed you guys the rose gold sheet mask. All right, with the facial serum, vitamin C, and then the gel. They also have. Okay, that's okay with me. Jelly mask. Child, Dollar Tree is doing it. All right, family. So not only do Dollar Tree has the foundation, but they also have the setting powder. Child, when I tell you that they moving their feet to the beat, child, is setting powder. This is a matte setting powder. Okay, includes the powder puffs. $1.25. All right, so this is the different types they have. Bisquick, okay, matte satin powder, porcelain, matte satin powder, and all of these includes the powder puffs. They also have this one over here, buff, okay, matte satin powder. This is new. This is definitely new. Okay, I know these gonna sell out real quick. $1.25. Peace, family. Peace. I hope you guys are having such a glorious, magnificent, terrific type of day. Honey, it's a little nippy my way. Okay, so we are at Dollar Tree today. You can tell from my background, we at Dollar Tree in a place to be. Okay, Dina rocking out like the wonderful, terrific MC. Now, let's go inside. Message today is this: see yourself. See yourself as the man or woman you desire to be. Book Psycho-Cybernetics. Let's get into it. Listen, child, do you see this? Linda, do you see this, Linda? Burpee. Child, I had to go to the manager because I said, y'all sell burpees now? And honey, I had to inquire about the price. It just keep getting better. Okay, listen. Honey, $1.25 for burpees. Now, you know burpees ain't no $1.25, child. It's just not. Child. Won't he do it? I mean, won't she do it? Okay? All right? Now, honey, I got my items of the day. Okay? Honey, all right, let me go on my way. All right? Child, Dollar Tree is getting fancy for me. I like this. I like me some of this. All right, so Dollar Tree also have the berry extract. Okay, now, one of the things about berries, they are high in antioxidants. Now, you may say antioxidants. When you think of antioxidants, anti-aging. Okay, all right, reverse age. Okay, cleanser, refresh, and cleanse skin of all impurities. Serum, rich and hydrating serum, leaves skin feeling softer. Okay, so they have the cleanser, and then they also have the serum. This is a two-step process. $1.25. Burpees. Listen. Now, you know I love you guys, right? I do. I really love you. Listen. I went. This is how dedicated I am, okay, to this. I left this Dollar Tree because they was still putting the stuff out. You see my oldest son in the background. Child. The stuff that they have, this new item. We're going to just jump into it and do it. You ready? You ready? I think you ready, okay? Check this out. All right, listen, we're going to just jump into it and do it. You see these Easter decorative pillows? Now, honey, child, honey, these are $5. Still deal like Holyfield. They also have these little teddy pillows, okay, decorative pillows. These are $5 as well. And what about the Cookie Monster, okay? The Cookie Monster in the Elmo, all right? Get into Cookie. Now, these decorative, these Easter baskets, these are $5. But, child, you said you want the new. Okay, so I got to give you the new. Now, Dollar Tree also have the metal leaners. Child, I said, why? These are $5, honey. Still deal like Holyfield. Honey, moving and grooving out in these Dollar Tree streets. They also have the 12-inch jumbo eggs. They have received some more. These are $3. Check this out with the peeps, okay? The peeps. Welcome inside. We're all the same. Ooh, chill. Can we say one time for the one-time oneness? Okay, now you know that's the universal law, okay? Everything is connected. Now, Dollar Tree also have the wood egg beaded garland. These are $3. Now, I know we've seen some of these. They also have these right here. I done forgot the name of that, honey. All right, this garland right here, the egg garland, 6-foot floral egg garland. These are $3. Now, I absolutely love these because it has the flowers on here, really, really cute. The berries. They also have the eggs on here, still deal like Holyfield. And what about the wreaths? Okay, get into the wreaths. Now, the wreaths they have here at this location, by the way, I'm in Bayonne, New Jersey, okay? Yellow wreaths, blue wreaths, pink wreaths. You name a wreath, they have the wreaths, okay? They have the welcome signs over here, the chickadee chicks over here. These are $5. The welcome signs that says, you know, welcome, $5. Then they have the bunnies in the back, which are $5 as well. Stackable 24-inch stacked eggs decor. These are $5. And they have the one with all white, or if you want to do like a multi-color thing, which has the green, the blue, and the pink, Dollar Tree said, listen, we got you 24-inch stacked, $5. But child, get into this. You check in, check me out. Look, Dollar Tree has the peeps right here. Look at this. This is fancy. Now, child, get into this. This is the LED bubble one. Child, this, honey, when I seen this, I was like, why? Really, really cute. They also have the 4-foot inflatable. Now, I know you guys like some inflatables, okay? 4-foot inflatables, $5. You see this one, honey? I caught dibs on this, okay? They also have the Peeps tablecloth right here, Pivot Wipe Clean, comes in 2 different styles, $3. And we had seen these, okay, the double ward tumblers. These are fancy mancy. These are Peeps. They come in pink, blue, and those are 2 colors. Those, and also in yellow. I was about to say those are 2 colors that I see. They also have this set of 4 egg containers that comes in 2 different colors, the pink and yellow. These are $5. And then, of course, honey, they have way more wood egg beaded garland. One time for the one time. Let's keep on going. Let's keep on flowing, okay? And glowing. They also have the 3-tier serving tray, $5. And this is pretty much how it looks. Honey, we seen this, but honey, it's always good to do a recap, okay? They also have... When my oldest son say he ain't coming here for this, listen, they also have the garden tools out right now. These are so cute. I absolutely love these. The metal turtles, okay, the bumblebee, ooh, the ladybug, child, this is so cute. Look at this. Is this the porcupine? Okay, I think this would be the porcupine. Okay, with the shovel in his sunflower shell. And look at the crocodile or alligator tomato. We've been through this before. Okay, they also have the skunk shell. But why is the skunk carrying the tomato? Isn't there? Oh, if you want to get rid of the smell. Okay, all right. So they also have the gnomes over here. And you guys, somebody said these not gnomes, okay? When they are gnomes. These are $3, okay? But it's tomato, honey, okay? All right. Metal bird houses they have over here, which are really, really cute. These are fancy, all right? With the little mushroom. I know that's right. Solar mushrooms, $3 anyone. What about the solar lanterns? $5. Fancy, mancy. Black, white, you name it. Dollar Tree said, listen, we claim it, okay? Listen, Linda. I know your name not Linda, okay? But have you seen the ceramic trays at Dollar Tree? $1.25. Honey, they coming out with all this home decor. I'm here for it. What about this? Fancy, mancy. Honey, looking like a onesie, okay? Dollar Tree is moving their feet to the beat. Come on, let's check this out. Let's see what else they have up in here. So this right here, this looks new to me, okay? So this is Valentine items Dollar Tree has, okay? Now, we've been through the Valentine theme, okay? But let me tell you something. Treat bags with zip seals, dirty pieces. But this right here, this decor, is Avion. Be Mine, is Avion. All right, so Dollar Tree has this item, this decor right here, and to me, it's looking kind of newish, okay? So, Be Mine decor, you see how it looks? Honey, fancy, mancy. My sweet, Be Mine, my love. Ooh, yeah, okay. All right, and the door hangers, honey, moving and grooving. They come in different colors. They have the white, the red, the purple, and then the pink. Paint kits, I'm all about creativity, okay? These are $1.25. It has the little teddy buddy right here. Oops. Honey, hold on one second. The little teddy bear right here, the paint, and then a paintbrush, okay? Honey, get into it. And then the paddle boards. Who remember the paddle boards back in the day? Say hey, okay? Let me know. All right, you remember the paddle boards? Now, when I was a kid, we had the bigger paddle boards, okay? And the click-clacks. Who remember the click-clacks? Oh, chill. The click-clacks was everything. How long could you click-clack? Okay, really, really good. Now, Dollar Tree also have the microfiber hair wraps over here. Now, we've seen this. This is Valentine theme. The towel scrunchie, the detangling comb with shower handle. These are all $1.25. Fancy, mancy. Makeup brush and storage, okay? Dollar Tree said, listen, we bringing it, okay? We bringing it. We gonna put it out, okay? Because that's what we about. That's what Dollar Tree said, all right? Okay, so listen, Linda, listen. So some of you guys, you missed the video. You missed it, okay? Look, gold $9.99.9 socks. All right. Now my daughter Amani, she jacked me for these. Okay, I'm looking all over for the socks. Honey turns around, look down at her feet. She had my socks on, but these are $1.25. These are still deal like Holyfield. And what about the Dodge? You don't know nothing about. Look, come on. Okay, the Dodge socks. These are $1.25. You get one pair of socks for $1.25. The double bubble. Now we done been down this road with the bazooka gum. Okay, who remember the bazooka gum with the comic strips? Okay, these are $1.25, and then they also have the junior mints over here. These socks, I like these. These are styling and profiling. One pair for $1.25. Still deal. Listen, you know I'm moving my feet to the beat in these Dollar Tree streets. Look. Dollar Tree has the jelly mask glitter. This is new, $1.25. They also have the rose gold sheet mask, okay, $1.25. One mask for $1.25. The facial serum concentrated vitamin C, okay, you get 10 biodegradable capsules, $1.25. Now, honey, this is it, okay, this is the favorite part. Let me tell you something. Skin to make, okay, these headbands, honey, $1.25. Styling and profiling is the name of the game, like a chicken wing. Okay, what about this one? You like this one? They got the pink one. What about the blue? So you may be like, Dina, you know, I don't like pink and I don't care for black. But what about the blue? Do you like the blue? $1.25. Honey, still deal like Holyfield. Okay, and I also think they... Wait, hold on, child. Hold on. Hold on. Cause you know my color. You know what my color is, right? You know what. Somebody leave in the chat what's my favorite colors, okay? Honey, I thought this was green, but honey, this is black. Okay, all right. So they come in 3 different colors. These headbands: blue, pink, and black. A good old time. Just in case, okay. If your baby, you have a newborn, okay, what size is this? Oh, 1, so this is newborn, 3 to 6 months, just in case you driving, right? I'm giving you a whole scenario right now. You driving and your baby had spilled milk or burp or something and the milk gets all on the onesies. Dollar Tree has onesies, 3 different colors, okay? They have the pink, the blue, and then also the white. Honey, Dollar Tree is moving their feet to the beat. Moving the feet to the beat. Let's go. Let's go in these streets. Okay. All right, honey. So Dollar Tree has these antibacterial hand wipes, pomegranate. You get 50 wipes for $1.25. I'm going to go ahead and grab this. But they also tell you, see what they have? Okay, and this is the Dollar Tree near me. Lemon and berries. Micellar, okay, cleansing water. Child, they must be done brought this up. Okay, so they have the apple and bananas. I had purchased the lemon and berries, and I think the kiwi and pomegranate. Okay, the lemon and berries is really, really good. Both of them is good, but I opened the lemon and berries. These are $1.25. Now this is a dupe. Okay, you guys know that they sell micellar water at Target, okay, and it's like $10 or something like that. They also made one into like a Walgreens brand, and the one at Walgreens is for $9.99 or $8.99, somewhere along those lines. But you come to Dollar Tree said, hey, we good, you good with me, okay? Now this helps detox, helps repair complexion, helps helps soften, okay? This is paraben free, gluten free, and it's vegan, okay? So maybe you like, Dina, I don't eat no meat, you know, I don't do the meat products, okay? Honey, I was there, okay? You know, once upon a time I was a vegan, but I don't like no titles or labels or anything like that. But this has, like, it's supposed to be really, really good in terms of it doesn't have no harsh chemicals or anything like that. Urban hydration, name of the game, like a chicken wing, okay? Let's get into it. Dollar Tree also have these brightening toner pads. These are $1.25. I had seen these before. It's dirty pads. This is the brighten your skin. All right, $1.25. Now they also have the men's face and body wipes. This is the dupe compared to Dude wipes. Okay, you get dirty wipes for $1.25. They also have some tea tree oil. Natural, promotes a healthy scalp, helps control dryness with natural oils. Moisturizing oil for hair, scalp, and body. This is $1.25, 100% natural. Still deal like Holyfield. Really, really good. She could bring it all up together. All right, family, so our total is $13.96. Okay, family, make sure you guys rock out, believe in yourself, keep going, growing. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what was your favorite part. Thank you. Until next time, peace.